Number 6 wants me to classify these angles and then find 3 of the angle measurements. So I'm going to classify first, and the first one asks for 1 and 3. I notice that 1's in the top left, 3 is in the top left. So spot, 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 top left. 1, 2, 3, 4, top left. So because they're all in the top left, those are corresponding angles. Next it asks for angles 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 are actually just right next to each other. So yes, they are adjacent, but the name that we're looking for here is a linear pair because they're making a line together. Then 15 and 4. So 4 is here, 15 is here. They're not in the same spot because 4 is like the top right, 15's on the bottom right, but I said right. They're both on the same side of the transversal. But the 2 parallel lines of M and N, neither one of them are inside these lines. They are exterior angles. Those are same side exterior angles. So the measures should be supplementary. Then I'm looking at 2 and 3. 2 is here, top, top right. 3 is here, top left. I said top for both of them. These are another pair of same side angles. And if I look at my 2 parallel lines of F and G, they are both inside. They are between F and G. They are same side interior angles. 9 and 13 is next. 9 is here, 13 is right across from it. When you are right across from another angle, you are vertical with it. Those are vertical angles. And then 9 is getting paired with 15, which is over here. So 9 is in the top left, 15 is in the bottom right. There's nothing in common with those. So those are going to be alternate because they are on different sides of line N. One's above, one's below. But if I look at my 2 parallel lines of F and G, neither one of them are sitting inside between these lines. They are outside these lines. Those are alternate exterior angles. And then I'm supposed to find some angle measurements. I'm supposed to find 14, and I'll notice 128's bottom left, 14's bottom left. Those are corresponding angles. They should be identical to each other. Honestly, next is angle 7. That's also a bottom left angle. So 7 is corresponding with 14, which I just said was 128. So is 7. Then I'm going to 2. There's several ways I could do this. I'm going to ignore this side of my picture. So 128 is in the bottom left, 2 is in the top right. There's nothing in common. So they're not on the same side. They are on alternate sides of my transversal, and they are outside my lines. Neither one are between these lines. These are alternate exterior angles, which are also congruent. If they're not a linear pair or on the same side of the transversal, then they're going to be congruent.